Today, I'm about to share something that could completely change the way you think about making money online. Imagine earning up to $145 an hour using nothing but a free tool you're probably already familiar with, Google Docs. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about leveraging a free, everyday tool to create a consistent income stream in 2025 and beyond. Now, before you think, this sounds too good to be true, let me break it down for you. Google Docs isn't just a simple word processor. It's a versatile, cloud-based powerhouse used by millions of individuals and businesses around the world. From crafting resumes to writing ebooks, formatting proposals, and even designing templates, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment, expensive subscriptions, or advanced technical skills to get started. What's even more exciting is that the demand for these services is skyrocketing. Businesses, freelancers, content creators, and students are all looking for people who can help them save time and streamline their tasks. That's where you come in. By mastering a few simple skills and learning how to position yourself, you can tap into this growing market and start earning money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash, a stay-at-home parent exploring flexible income options, or someone searching for a side hustle that could turn into a full-time gig, this method is for you. And don't worry if you've never done anything like this before, I'll guide you step by step, showing you exactly how to turn this opportunity into a steady source of income. So, grab your coffee, settle in, and stick around because, in this video, I'm going to break it all down into 20 actionable steps that are easy to follow, even if you're a complete beginner. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share some bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings and stand out from the competition. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real, practical way to make money online by providing genuine value to people and businesses. So, are you ready to learn how to turn a tool you already have into a money-making machine? Let's dive right in and get started. Step 1. Understanding the opportunity. Google Docs isn't just a word processor, it's a versatile tool used by millions of people and businesses worldwide. Companies are always on the lookout for people who can help with writing, formatting, or managing documents. From resumes and proposals to ebooks and templates, the demand is huge. Step 2. Identifying your niche. The first step is to identify a niche you're passionate about or skilled in. For instance, are you good at creating professional resumes? Maybe you can format business reports or design aesthetically pleasing ebooks. Focusing on one niche will help you stand out and attract clients. Step 3. Setting up a portfolio. To attract clients, you'll need a portfolio showcasing your skills. Create a few sample projects using Google Docs, like a resume template, a simple ebook, or a business proposal. These examples will demonstrate your expertise and give clients confidence in your work. Step 4. Exploring freelance platforms. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Create a profile highlighting your expertise in Google Docs-related services. Mention that you specialize in formatting, content creation, or document design. Use the sample projects in your portfolio to showcase your capabilities. Step 5. Leveraging social media. Promote your services on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Write posts explaining how you can help businesses or individuals with Google Docs projects. Include links to your portfolio or gig listings on freelance platforms. Step 6. Creating editable templates. One of the easiest ways to make money with Google Docs is by designing editable templates. These could include resumes, business proposals, invoices, or even social media content calendars. Once created, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Step 7. Offering copywriting services. If you have a way with words, offer copywriting services using Google Docs. Many businesses need compelling content for websites, blogs, or ads. Write drafts in Google Docs and share them with clients for easy collaboration. Step 8. Formatting ebooks. Ebooks are a hot commodity, and many authors need help formatting their content. Use Google Docs to design clean, professional-looking ebooks. Offer this service on freelance platforms or approach self-published authors directly. Step 9. Providing transcription services. Another in-demand service is transcription. Use Google Docs to transcribe audio or video content into text. This service is sought after by content creators, podcasters, and even students. Step 10. Collaborating with bloggers. Reach out to bloggers who may need help drafting, editing, or formatting their posts. Google Docs makes it easy to collaborate in real time, allowing you to offer seamless services to busy bloggers. Step 11. Designing training materials. Companies often need training materials or guides for employees. Use Google Docs to create user-friendly manuals or presentations. This is a high-value service that businesses are willing to pay for. Step 12. Writing business proposals. Offer to create polished, professional business proposals for entrepreneurs and startups. Use Google Docs formatting tools to craft documents that make a great impression. Step 13. Collaborating with students. Students often need help with assignments, research papers, or resumes. Market your services to students, offering to proofread, edit, or format their work using Google Docs. Step 14. Creating SOPs, standard operating procedures. Many businesses need well-written SOPs but don't have the time to create them. Offer this service, using Google Docs to organize and format the procedures clearly and professionally. Step 15. Building a passive income stream. Once you've mastered creating templates or documents, consider selling them as digital products. For example, you can design a collection of resumes or planners and sell them on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Step 16. Expanding into team collaboration. Some companies struggle with setting up collaborative workflows. Offer to set up and organize Google Docs for team collaboration, including permissions and folder structures. Step 17. Writing press releases. Businesses and PR agencies often need press releases for new product launches or announcements. Offer to write and format these documents in Google Docs. Step 18. Sharing tips and tutorials. Position yourself as an expert by creating free Google Docs tutorials on YouTube or social media. This not only builds credibility but also attracts potential clients. Step 19. Offering real-time editing services. For clients who need last-minute changes or edits, offer real-time editing services. Google Docs live editing capabilities make this a highly attractive service. Step 20. Asking for reviews and referrals. Once you've completed a project, ask your clients for reviews or referrals. Positive feedback boosts your credibility and helps attract new clients. Alright, we've covered a lot today about how you can turn Google Docs into a money-making machine and earn $145 an hour or more. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect and dive deeper into how you can truly make this work for you, along with some additional tips and final thoughts. First, remember that the key to success in any venture, including this one, is consistency. You can have all the tools and knowledge in the world, but it's your dedication and willingness to show up every day that will set you apart from the competition. If you're just starting out, don't get discouraged by small wins or slow progress. Building a successful side hustle or full-fledged business takes time. Start small, focus on delivering value, and gradually scale your efforts. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your Google Docs empire, but steady effort will pay off. Next, think about how you can stand out. Google Docs is a free and widely accessible tool, which means anyone can use it. So how do you differentiate yourself in a sea of potential competitors? It's all about personalization and going the extra mile. For instance, if you're offering resume services, don't just create a generic template, tailor it to the client's industry and career goals. If you're formatting ebooks, suggest creative ideas to make the content more engaging, like adding interactive elements or links to resources. These small touches make a big difference and justify your premium rates. Another important factor is building trust with your clients. Whether you're working on freelance platforms, selling templates, or collaborating on projects, your reputation matters. Always deliver on time, communicate clearly, and make sure your clients are 100% satisfied with your work. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals can be game changers for your business. And remember, building trust doesn't end with the project. Stay connected with your clients. Follow up occasionally to see if they need more help or if they're open to recommending you to others. Let's also talk about scalability. Once you've mastered the basics and started earning consistently, think about how you can scale your business. For example, you could create an online course teaching others how to make money with Google Docs.